Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे 100 important MCQ on current affairs of January 2025. Let's start the video. 1. Who assumed command of the Indian Air Force's Western Air Command on 1st January 2025? A. Air Marshal Pankaj Mohan Sinha. B. Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra. C. Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. D. Air Marshal Anil Chopra. Answer B. Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra. 2. When is Global Family Day celebrated annually? A. 31st December. B. 1st January. C. 14th February. D. 22nd April. Answer B. 1st January. 3. Who assumed charge as the CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, on 1st January 2025? A. Amit Agrawal. B. Bhuvnesh Kumar. C. Rajesh Kumar. D. Arvind Kumar. Answer B. Bhuvnesh Kumar. 4. What new law is Switzerland implementing starting 1st January 2025 regarding facial coverings? A. Ban on headscarves. B. Ban on facial coverings in public places. C. Ban on all types of clothing. D. No restrictions on facial coverings. Answer B. Ban on facial coverings in public places. 5. Which Indian state launched its first 5G-enabled smart classrooms on 1st January 2025? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Gujarat. Answer A. Karnataka. 6. In 2025, which country took over the G20 presidency for the year? A. India. B. Brazil. C. South Africa. D. Indonesia. Answer C. South Africa. 7. Diego Garcia Island, recently in the news, is located in which ocean? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer C. Indian Ocean. 8. What is the name of the second multipurpose vessel, MPV, recently launched for the Indian Navy? A. INS Vikrant. B. INS Utkarsh. C. INS Sangam. D. INS Karanj. Answer B. INS Utkarsh. 9. Prime Minister Ilza Mdovaz, who recently announced her resignation, belongs to which country? A. Cameroon. B. Sao Tome and Principe. C. Chad. D. Democratic Republic of the Congo. Answer B. Sao Tome and Principe. 10. Which country joined the BRICS group of emerging economies on 6 January 2025? A. Indonesia. B. Argentina. C. Saudi Arabia. D. Nigeria. Answer A. Indonesia. 11. A 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck which region of China on 7 January 2025? A. Sichuan. B. Tibet Autonomous Region. C. Yunnan. D. Xinjiang. Answer B. Tibet Autonomous Region. 12. Which city experienced the most destructive wildfires in its history in early January 2025? A. San Francisco. B. Sacramento. C. San Diego. D. Los Angeles. Answer D. Los Angeles. 13. Who was elected as the 14th President of Lebanon on 9th January 2025? A. Saad Hariri. B. Michel Aoun. C. Joseph Aoun. D. Hassan Diab. Answer C. Joseph Aoun. 14. Which country reported that 2024 was its hottest year on record, surpassing the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming limit? A. United States. B. United Kingdom. C. Australia. D. Canada. Answer B. United Kingdom. 15. Which country held its presidential election on 12 January 2025, resulting in the re-election of Zoran Milanovic? A. Croatia. B. Serbia. C. Slovenia. D. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Answer A. Croatia. 16. Which heavy-lift launch vehicle had its first successful launch on 16 January 2025? A. New Glenn. B. Falcon Heavy. C. Ariane 6. D. Long 9th March. Answer A. New Glenn. 17. Which country took over the presidency of the Council of the European Union on 1 January 2025? A. Germany. B. France. C. Poland. D. Spain. Answer C. Poland. 18. Which two countries completed the process of joining the Schengen area on 1 January 2025? A. Croatia and Slovenia. B. Bulgaria and Romania. C. Greece and Cyprus. D. Poland and Hungary. Answer B. Bulgaria and Romania. 19. Who took the oath as the 23rd Governor of Kerala on 2 January 2025? A. Arif Mohammad Khan. B. T. Ravi. C. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. D. Anandiben Patel. Answer C. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. 20. On which date is Savitribai Phule Jayanti celebrated annually? A. 3rd January. B. 2nd January. C. 4th January. D. 5th January. Answer A. 3rd January. 21. Who was sworn in as the 42nd Governor of Bihar in January 2025? A. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. B. Arif Mohammad Khan. C. Ajay Bhalla. D. K. Vinod Chandran. Answer B. Arif Mohammad Khan. 22. On which date did the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, celebrate its 67th Foundation Day? A. 1st January 2025. B. 2nd January 2025. C. 3rd January 2025. D. 5th January 2025. Answer B. 2nd January 2025. 23. What is the main objective of the One Nation One Subscription (ONOS) initiative launched on 1 January 2025? A. To provide free access to textbooks for students. B. To offer access to international scholarly journals and articles. C. To support online degree programs. D. To fund academic research projects. Answer B. To offer access to international scholarly journals and articles. 24. What is the Raitu Bharosa scheme's new financial assistance amount per acre for each crop season in Telangana? A. 5,000 rupees. B. 7,500 rupees. C. 10,000 rupees. D. 12,000 rupees. Answer B. 7,500 rupees. 25. Who was re-elected as the Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives in 2025? A. Nancy Pelosi. B. Kevin McCarthy. C. Mike Johnson. D. Chuck Schumer. Answer C. Mike Johnson. 26. Where was India's first ever glass bridge inaugurated? A. Jaipur. B. Kanyakumari. C. Kochi. D. Agra. Answer B. Kanyakumari. 27. Which Indian state has become the first to incorporate the green GDP model into its economic framework? A. Kerala. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer C. Chhattisgarh. 28. Who has been appointed as the new Director General, DG, of the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA? A. D.C. Sharma. B. Vikram Dev Dutt. C. Faiz Dhamath Kidwai. D. Arun Goyal. Answer. C. Faiz Dhamath Kidwai. 29. The book, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Through the Ages was published by which organization? A. Indian Council of Historical Research, ICHR. B. Archaeological Survey of India. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. National Book Trust, NBT. Answer. D. National Book Trust, NBT. 30. Which institution has partnered with the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare to launch Project Vistar? A. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. B. Indian Institute of Technology Madras. C. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi. D. Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. Answer. B. Indian Institute of Technology Madras. 31. What is the motto of the Grameen Bharat Mahotsav 2025? A. Growing together, thriving together. B. If villages grow, the country grows, Gaon badhe, to desh badhe. C. Empower the villages, empower the nation. D. Unity in diversity. Answer. B. If villages grow, the country grows, Gaon badhe, to desh badhe. 32. What is the name of the mascots for the Kho World Cup 2025? A. Vikram and Veda. B. Tejas and Tara. C. Krishna and Radha. D. Shiva and Shakti. Answer. B. Tejas and Tara. 33. What is the primary objective of the Panchayat Se Parliament 2.0 program? A. To celebrate the tribal culture with governance. B. To empower women by enhancing their understanding of governance. C. To train women in administration. D. To promote women in local government. Answer. B. To empower women by enhancing their understanding of governance. 34. What is the Faral Sakhi initiative launched by the Mira Bhayandar Municipal Corporation, MBMC? A. A project for supporting women in traditional snack production. B. A program for training women in digital marketing. C. A scheme for rural women's education. D. An initiative for health and wellness among women. Answer. B. A program for training women in digital marketing. 35. Which player became the first male footballer, soccer, to receive the prestigious Presidential Medal of Freedom from the United States? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. Lionel Messi. C. Diego Maradona. D. David Beckham. Answer. B. Lionel Messi. 36. Which state announced the sponsorship deal for the Indian national Kho team? A. Odisha. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer. A. Odisha. 37. Where was India's first ever organic fisheries cluster launched? A. Sikkim. B. Kerala. C. Assam. D. West Bengal. Answer. A. Sikkim. 38. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Department of Space and Chairman of ISRO, effective from 14 January 2025? A. Dr. Ajay Sood. B. Dr. Pwan Kumar. C. Dr. V. Narayanan. D. Dr. M. S. Anant. Answer. C. Dr. V. Narayanan. 39. The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 will take place in A. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. B. Haridwar, Uttarakhand. C. Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. D. Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Answer. C. Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. 40. Who has been elected as the new president of the Athletics Federation of India, AFI? A. Adil Sumariwala. B. Bahadur Singh Sagu. C. P.T. Usha. D. Vinesh Fogart. Answer B. Bahadur Singh Sagu. 41. The eShram portal has been upgraded to support how many scheduled languages? A. 12. B. 18. C. 15. D. 22. Answer D. 22. 42. What is the amount of financial assistance provided under the Shahid Madho Singh Hath Kharcha scheme? A. 2,000 rupees. B. 5,000 rupees. C. 10,000 rupees. D. 15,000 rupees. Answer B. 5,000 rupees. 43. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Department of Revenue as of 8th January 2025? A. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. B. Arunish Chawla. C. Govind Mohan. D. Sanjay Malhotra. Answer A. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. 44. Which department will Arunish Chawla now head as secretary, according to the recent appointments? A. Department of Revenue. B. Department of Expenditure. C. Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, DIPAM. D. Department of Economic Affairs. Answer C. Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, DIPAM. 45. Martin Guptill announced retirement from all formats of cricket. He represented the team in his career. A. Australia. B. England. C. New Zealand. D. Ireland. Answer C. New Zealand. 46. Which state government launched the Gunotsav 2025 program? A. Bihar. B. Assam. C. West Bengal. D. Odisha. Answer B. Assam. 47. The Pravasi Bharatiya Express tour is offered to which group of people? A. Indian citizens only. B. Foreign tourists. C. Persons of Indian origin, PIOs. D. Government employees. Answer C. Persons of Indian origin, PIOs. 48. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the newly established Advisory Board for Equal and One Money? A. Justice A.M. Khanwilkar. B. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. C. Justice Ranjan Gogoi. D. Justice B.N. Srikrishna. Answer D. Justice B.N. Srikrishna. 49. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? A. 75th. B. 80th. C. 85th. D. 90th. Answer C. 85th. 50. World Hindi Day, Vishwa Hindi Divas, celebrated every year on A. 12th January. B. 10th January. C. 26th January. D. 21st February. Answer B. 10th January. 51. Which state government has signed an MoU with Google Cloud, India, to launch the Open Network for Agriculture? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. 52. Which state launched the Parth Yojana to provide pre-recruitment training for the Indian Army, Police and Paramilitary Forces? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Haryana. Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. 53. Which city will host South India's first infectious disease research and diagnostic laboratory, IRDL? A. Chennai. B. Bangalore. C. Hyderabad. D. Kochi. Answer B. Bangalore. 54. Which state received the highest allocation from the disbursement made on 10th January 2025 by the central government? A. Bihar. B. West Bengal. C. Maharashtra. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. 55. What is India's export target for the food and beverage, F&B, agriculture, and marine product industries within the next 5 years? A. $50 billion. B. $75 billion. C. $100 billion. D. $150 billion. Answer C. $100 billion. 56. Which city will host the AI Action Summit 2025? A. New York. B. Paris. C. Geneva. D. Tokyo. Answer B. Paris. 57. The Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dial Oak to 0 to 5 is a reimagined version of which event? A. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. B. National Youth Festival. C. Khelo India Youth Games. D. International Youth Summit. Answer B. National Youth Festival. 58. The Zedmora Tunnel is built under which glacier? A. Siachen Glacier. B. Zemu Glacier. C. Gangotri Glacier. D. Thajivas Glacier. Answer D. Thajivas Glacier. 59. In India, which part has been identified as a key global hotspot for threatened freshwater species by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Sundarbans. C. Northeast Forests. D. Western Ghats. Answer D. Western Ghats. 60. The Adani Group has announced a substantial investment of 75,000 crore rupees in which state of India? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Maharashtra. Answer C. Chhattisgarh. 61. Union Minister Piyush Goyal launched which portal during the Bharat Climate Forum 2025? A. The Bharat Cleantech Manufacturing Platform. B. Bharat Prakratik Jalvayu Bachao Portal. C. Prakriti Sanrakshan Solutions. D. Bharat Green Revolution Portal. Answer A. The Bharat Cleantech Manufacturing Platform. 62. Mount Ibu, which erupted on 11 January 2025, is located in which country? A. Philippines. B. Indonesia. C. Japan. D. Ecuador. Answer B. Indonesia. 63. What is the target renewable energy capacity India aims to achieve by 2030? A. 400 gigawatts. B. 450 gigawatts. C. 500 gigawatts. D. 600 gigawatts. Answer C. 500 gigawatts. 64. Who was elected as the Secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, during the Special General Meeting, SGM, on 12 January 2025? A. Prabtej Singh Bhatia. B. Arun Dhumal. C. Devjit Sekia. D. Ashish Shelar. Answer C. Devjit Sekia. 65. On which day National Youth is celebrated annually in India? A. 11th January. B. 12th January. C. 13th January. D. 14th January. Answer B. 12th January. 66. Who was elected as the Secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, during the Special General Meeting, SGM, on 12 January 2025? A. Prabtej Singh Bhatia. B. Arun Dhumal. C. Devjit Sekia. D. Ashish Shelar. Answer C. Devjit Sekia. 67. What is the target renewable energy capacity India aims to achieve by 2030? A. 400 gigawatts. B. 450 gigawatts. C. 500 gigawatts. D. 600 gigawatts. Answer. C. 500 gigawatts. 68. India has joined which international body to enhance its engagement with big data and data science for official statistics? A. United Nations Statistical Commission, UNSC. B. International Telecommunication Union, ITU. C. World Economic Forum, WEF. D. United Nations Committee of Experts on Big Data and Data Science for Official Statistics, UNCBD. Answer. D. United Nations Committee of Experts on Big Data and Data Science for Official Statistics, UNCBD. 69. Which two beaches in Kerala recently received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? A. Kovalam and Varkala. B. Kappad and Chal. C. Cherai and Marari. D. Alapuzha and Bekal. Answer. B. Kappad and Chal. 70. Which dedicated FM channel launched by All India Radio to enhance the Mahakumbh 2025 experience? A. Kumbh Gatha Vani. B. Kumbh Prathna Vani. C. Kumbh Vani. D. Kumbh Anubhav Vani. Answer. C. Kumbh Vani. 71. Which countries have already achieved the space docking maneuver before India's SpaceX mission? A. USA, Russia, China. B. USA, Germany, China. C. USA, Russia, Japan. D. Russia, China, India. Answer. A. USA, Russia, China. 72. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Athletics Federation of India, AFI, Athletes Commission? A. Anju Bobby George. B. P.T. Usha. C. Neeraj Chopra. D. Vishwanath Anand. Answer. A. Anju Bobby George. 73. Which state in India to adopt the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in 2025? A. Delhi. B. Odisha. C. West Bengal. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Odisha. 74. The Blue Flag certification is awarded by which organization? A. United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. B. World Tourism Organization, UNWTO. C. Foundation for Environmental Education, FEE. D. International Blue Sea Association. Answer. C. Foundation for Environmental Education, FEE. 75. Who developed the NAG Mk2 anti-tank guided missile, ATGM? A. Indian Air Force, IAF. B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. C. Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. D. Indian Navy. Answer. B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 76. When is Armed Forces Veterans Day observed in India? A. 15th January. B. 31st December. C. 14th February. D. 14th January. Answer. D. 14th January. 77. Who received the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at the WBFJ Awards 2025? A. Amitabh Bachchan. B. Rituparno Ghosh. C. Aparna Senior. D. Babul Supriyo. Answer. C. Aparna Senior. 78. In which year will India host the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Parliaments of Commonwealth Countries, CSPOC? A. 2025. B. 2026. C. 2027. D. 2028. Answer. B. 2026. 79. Which two Indian private startups launched their satellites aboard a SpaceX rocket, marking a significant achievement for India's space sector? A. Pixel and Agnikul. B. Digantara and Skyroot. C. Pixel and Digantara. D. Dhruva Space and Bellatrix Aerospace. Answer: C. Pixel and Digantara. 80. Which year has been designated as the dual year for India and Spain? A. 2028. B. 2025. C. 2026. D. 2027. Answer: C. 2026. 81. Which state government has announced a monthly pension of 20,000 for surviving detainees who were jailed during the emergency period? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer: D. Odisha. 82. According to the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, TCCI, by which year is India projected to surpass Japan to become the world's fourth largest economy? A. 2024. B. 2025. C. 2026. D. 2027. Answer: C. 2026. 83. Which organizations have signed an agreement for the development of an optical transceiver chipset for 6G wireless links? A. ISRO and IIT Bombay. B. C. and IIT Bombay. C. DRDO and IIT Delhi. D. TRAI and IIT Kanpur. Answer: B. C. and IIT Bombay. 84. What is the Bharat Startup Challenge? A. A program promoting agriculture startups exclusively. B. A collaboration with international venture capitalists. C. A networking event for TRI city startups. D. A competition offering 75 challenges across diverse sectors. Answer: D. A competition offering 75 challenges across diverse sectors. 85. Where is Hymetech till 2025 being held? A. London, UK. B. Frankfurt, Germany. C. Paris, France. D. Milan, Italy. Answer: B. Frankfurt, Germany. 86. What is the current, as per 17 January 2025, judicial strength of the Supreme Court of India after Justice Chandran's appointment? A. 30. B. 32. C. 33. D. 34. Answer: C. 33. 87. Which Ministry of Government of India is responsible for the Kalagram for Mahakumbh 2025? A. Ministry of Culture, Government of India. B. Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. C. Indian Council for Cultural Relations. D. Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Answer: A. Ministry of Culture, Government of India. 88. Where will the third launchpad for ISRO's next generation launch vehicles, NGLVs, be established? A. Kulsekrapatnam Spaceport. B. Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. C. Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. D. Chandipur Test Range. Answer: B. Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. 89. What is the name of the rocket launched by Blue Origin on its maiden test flight? A. Falcon 9. B. New Shepard. C. New Glenn. D. Saturn V. Answer: C. New Glenn. 90. What is the name of ISRO's module used for this space agriculture experiment? A. Space AgriLab. B. Orbital Farming Station. C. Compact Research Module for Orbital Plant Studies. D. Agricultural Research in Space Module. Answer: C. Compact Research Module for Orbital Plant Studies. 91. On what date did the Lokpal of India celebrate its inaugural Foundation Day? A. 14th January 2025. B. 15th January 2025. C. 16th January 2025. D. 17th January 2025. Answer. C. 16th January 2025. 92. Who has been appointed as the Ombudsman and Ethics Officer of the BCCI? A. Justice Arun Mishra. B. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. C. Justice N. Santosh Hegde. D. Justice R. Banumanthi. Answer. A. Justice Arun Mishra. 93. Whose record did Novak Djokovic surpass for the most Grand Slam matches played? A. Rafael Nadal. B. Andy Murray. C. Pete Sampras. D. Roger Federer. Answer D. Roger Federer. 94. What is the name of the new pangolin species discovered by the Zoological Survey of India, ZSI? A. Manas pentadactyla. B. Manas crassicaudata. C. Manas javanica. D. Manas indobermanica. Answer D. Manas indobermanica. 95. What significant policy shift has the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, introduced regarding INR accounts? A. Only Indian residents can open INR accounts abroad. B. Overseas branches of authorized banks can open INR accounts for non-residents. C. Non-residents are restricted from using INR for trade settlements. D. INR accounts can only be used for domestic transactions. Answer. B. Overseas branches of authorized banks can open INR accounts for non-residents. 96. What is the name of the app and website launched to connect civilians with India's military history? A. Bharat Sainik Darshan. B. Bharat Ranbhoomi Darshan. C. Veer Bharat Connect. D. Indian War Memorial Tour. Answer B. Bharat Ranbhoomi Darshan. 97. Who has recently assumed the position of Secretary of the Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Education? A. Ravi Mohan. B. Dammu Ravi. C. Vineet Joshi. D. Amit Khare. Answer. C. Vineet Joshi. 98. Which sectors have witnessed significant growth under the Startup India initiative? A. Agriculture, Defence, and Tourism. B. Fintech, EdTech, Health Tech, and E-commerce. C. Manufacturing, Mining, and Real Estate. D. Automobiles, Aviation, and Textiles. Answer. B. Fintech, EdTech, Health Tech, and E-commerce. 99. What is the current, as per 17 January 2025, judicial strength of the Supreme Court of India after Justice Chandran's appointment? A. 30. B. 32. C. 33. D. 34. Answer C. 33. 100. Which digital payments platform has partnered with ICICI Lombard General Insurance to offer specialized insurance for Mahakumbh Mela 2025 attendees? A. Paytm. B. Amazon Pay. C. Google Pay. D. PhonePe. Answer D. PhonePe. Friends, यही है जनवरी 2025 करंट अफेयर्स के इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.